So bro, we're back with the next video of Learn Speed Cubing. Today we're gonna talk about advanced finger tricks. Bro, what are advanced finger tricks, bro? What are finger tricks? So you guys must already know how to turn the cube like this. If you don't know the basic finger tricks, there's a link in the description. Go and learn that first. Here we're gonna talk about, bro, what exactly is advanced? Before that, we need to understand the grip. When we're solving the cube, the whole time it's our grip. Our thumbs are in front like this. We call this the home grip, and we have to solve the cube while staying in this grip. And what is regrip? You have to position this hand like this. This is our home grip, for example. If I have to apply this algorithm, I'll change my grip from here and then solve it, but we should do it without changing the grip. How to solve the whole cube while staying in the home grip? For that, we need advanced finger tricks. Yes, the thing is, it's not possible to solve the entire cube while staying in the home grip. There are some cases where it's more efficient to re-grip. For example, if you have this case, then it's necessary for you to re-grip once here. But in most cases, we keep re-gripping unnecessarily, and the solve becomes very inefficient. Our advanced finger tricks will help you reduce your time even further and make your solves look more impressive. Man, R, R, L, L, E, F, F, U are all just like D that we've learned. Here, we're mostly talking about the U move. And bro, you guys must still be doing U like this. You guys are picking up things too. You guys can let go. You can do U like this. Now people think that finger tricks happen here. You guys can pull. Pull is used here. What does pull mean? When spare goes this way, look at it like this from here, like this. And this means you insert the spare. Usually you re-grip and insert, but if you want to stay in the home grip, then keep your finger up. When you are doing R, you have to attach this finger with it. And like this, we call this pull, this is push, this is pull, and one is flick, like this. When you do it like this, flick is used a lot. I will explain it to you further. It is used in F2L, also used in all and permutation of the last layer, and one is drag. This is drag. It is used in all algorithms. It is very efficient. I will tell you how. Now this is the algorithm. So here we are doing this drag. You see, I solved it while dragging. It feels even faster, so I will explain it to you further. So this is the most important part for you all. Stay in the home grip because this is the only layer on top that is going to be used the most. The next thing is U2 index and then the middle finger I'll show you, and in the same way with the left hand, it's very important with the left hand. I'll show you, okay, where is it used with the left hand? Alright, first of all, this soon algorithm, I want to show you something. First we are pushing U here. How do you guys do it right now? First, you probably regrip, then you regrip again, then regrip again, and then do the soon algorithm like this. But in advanced, it looks something like this. R from here will push U, R prime, U, R, U to R prime with the left, and notice this difference. These were the beginner finger tricks, and this is the advanced one. Watch, one flick, one flick. Just like I showed you different variants in U drag, U pull, flick, push, etc. U2, the same way there are also variants in U prime. How are all these in U prime? You can do U prime like this, we'll call this a flick. You can do U prime like this. By the way, this U prime isn't used much, but it does get used here and there. Similarly, if you're inserting this pair from here, you can do a U pull. This is used a lot. I mean, this is next level stuff. Okay, we've talked a lot about U, so now I'll add a bit more. Like I showed in the soon algorithm that U push is being used. U2 is being used with the left hand. I want to show it in T-perm now, T-perm. You guys probably do it like this. First regrip, then regrip again, then like this. But now you can finish this algorithm without any regrip. You'll push from here. Push again. Everyone applies this algorithm in their own way, executes it. Some people pull from here, some people push. But for me, push is more beneficial. As you can see, it means I'm executing regrip less algorithms. In advanced finger trick, the biggest part is played by the U move, which you all have already learned. After that, let's talk a little about B, because not many algorithms, just one algorithm like this, orientation of the last layer algorithm, which you will learn later as one look orientation of the last layer, where instead of rotation, if you can do the B move better, then you should know B and B prime, which we memorized in the basic finger tricks video. So now let's see how this will be solved. For the algorithm, from the top here, you will push like this, and then do B, U prime, B prime. I did B here, B prime pushed from here, and R prime. This algorithm is very fast if you execute it like this. If you do rotation, because this algorithm is basically made with rotation, but we bypass rotation here. And for rotationless solving, we need to learn the B move, and it's very efficient. Similarly, you will need to learn F2 right now. You can probably do F and F prime, but F2. First index, then middle finger for F2. And let me show you an example. There's the G pump algorithm, which uses F2. This is that algorithm. Our thumb is moving on top, and we'll learn more about this later on. R2 prime F2. If you do it like this, it becomes really fast. You won't even notice it if you know how to do F2 like this. But if you do it the other way, it will look really bad. First index, then not index. If you do it with index and middle, it will feel much faster in algorithms. Now here, you need to understand the difference between S and S prime. You guys must have heard of F, F prime, B, B prime, but you probably haven't heard of S and S prime. We call this layer S, S, S prime. Alright, so where is this used in this case, I think? The most efficient way to do this is Manlou-Kolal's algorithm. We'll learn this in the upcoming videos. I'm just showing you examples right now. This is our S move R. Now look, I'm pushing it. UR prime, U prime and slash, hammer, and at the end, small, F prime and fast. It looks something like this. Basically, you should start practicing the finger trick. S, S prime. This might be something new for you because you might have to use it in orientation of the last layer. Some people are crazy about the S move, like Brian's son. There are some people like that. They really love this move and they are masters at it. Now we'll talk about M2 right now. You probably do M2 like this. First with the middle finger, then again with the middle finger, which takes a lot of time. Maybe you solve the H pump like this. So this is taking a lot of time. For me, I can solve it in 1 second, actually in less than a second. When will this happen for you? When you practice M2 like this. First ring and then middle. See, then ring, then middle. First. Ring, middle, ring, middle, ring, middle. Pit2. U ring, middle. U2, U2 with index and middle. Then ring, middle, ring, middle. When you practice, it will feel something like this. I'll say one last thing. After that, you'll learn as many advanced finger tricks as you can. Then we'll see an example solve, and we'll see how to use these finger tricks in real life. In algorithms, after all. The last one is D2 first ring, then pinky. First ring, then pinky. First ring, then pinky. Ring, pinky. Ring, pinky. Ring, pinky. Ring, pinky. First ring finger, then pinky. Where is D2 used? It's used in A perm. It's used D2. If you do D2 with a simple ring and ring, it will look something like this. Whereas if you do D2 first with the ring finger and then with the pinky, it will look like this. It means there will be a very smooth transition, very smooth. Now I'll show you from the back. A lot. To learn this particular finger trick, I had to listen to a lot of motivational speeches. I had to do all sorts of things, and then finally I learned it myself. Great. I showed you guys very easily that first the ring, then the pinky. You guys should practice this a lot. It's very difficult. I admit it myself. Out of all the finger tricks we've seen in today's video, I think this one is the hardest. But once you guys practice it, you won't be able to live without it. If you learn all the finger tricks I taught you today, believe me, in one look, orientation of the last layer, and one look, permutation of the last layer, you can become a master of finger tricks. You can execute any permutation of the last layer in under a second. I think talking more about these finger tricks would just be pointless now. Let's see a real-life example. Then let's see. The situation is really bad, but what am I going to do here? First, I'm going to bring blue here from F prime and directly insert these two, then I'll move red here once and do a B move. From here, I'll do B prime like this, and these will match. After that, I'll do a D move with my ring finger and our cross will be aligned. Our aligned cross is done. This is my first pair, so while staying here, I'll make its pair, and look, U2 is used, I'll insert it here. And now my next pair is this one, so while staying here, I'll make its pair. Saw U2, do U2, and go here. And while staying here in the home grip, don't re-grip. In the home grip, I'll pair it like this. And while staying here, do U2 from the left. And now the drag move comes in, I'll drag it from here. Remember, we learned the drag move, do you remember? I'll insert it to the back with a U-drag, and this will be our re-grip plus insert. After that, while staying here, I saw that this is my pair, so I'll rotate it here once. While staying in the home grip, I'll do R prime, U2, R, and this will make my pair. For the 3-move insert, I'll do it while staying here. Here's my next pair, and I'll remain in the home green position. I'll get this ready for the 3-move insert, and then insert it here using push, U, push. Now this is our orientation of the last layer, so I won't explain it much right now, but in the next video we're going to learn one look orientation of the last layer. Congratulations, I'll teach you one look orientation of the last layer in the next video. Without any algorithm after that one look permutation of the last layer, then all 15 tutorials in our series will end. Brother, that's it for today. Try to use the finger tricks I taught you today while scrambling. Push, do F2, do U2 with your left hand. I mean drag. If you use them while scrambling, you'll automatically start using them during the solve as well. And that's all, I don't want to say anything more. Let's wrap up, that's it for today. I'm starting to feel sleepy too, and that's it. What else can I say? The whole night will go by editing this video, and goodbye. Man, goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah, join the Learn Speed Cubing series, it's in the playlist description. In that video, we're teaching you how to solve it in 10-11 seconds, and today was, I think, the 12th or 13th class goodbye. Make sure to subscribe.